I'm Rashmika. I'm currently interning at UnifiedMentor. During this internship, I got an opportunity to create three different dashboards using Power BI and Excel. First one among that is Instagram influencer analysis, in which I analyze the top performing Instagram influencers all over the world. And the second one is financial report analysis, in which I analyze the sales trends, profit and revenue, and some other criteria. And the last one is HR analytics, in which I analyze the turnover rate, retention, and performance metrics and employee satisfaction of the employees working in that particular company. For analyzing these data, I use Power BI. For creating interactive visualizations and Excel for data preparation and data cleaning. I developed knowledge in storytelling and got an in-depth knowledge in Power BI, like how to formulate DAX formulas and which charts should be used for creating which visualizations, so that I can give a good and clear insights to my stakeholders or who I am explaining this to. So during this internship, I got a very enriching experience working with Unified Mentor, because as a student who is stepping into the second year of my MBA, I had a very limited practical exposure to business tools. But this internship provided me with a platform to get a real world experience and how to use these business tools. They not only provided me with the practical projects, they guided me throughout this project, and also they gave me structured materials and resources so that I can learn from the fundamentals to the advanced methods of using these tools. So I got a lot of insights in how to use these tools and how to apply analytics in the practical examples. So on the whole, I had a very great and enriching experience working with Unified Mentor, and I also learned that how data drive in decisions and how they make a huge impact in a company. Thank you.